Consumer Reports just released 26 Reliability Report, and the results are sending shockwaves through the automotive industry. 6 SUVs have achieved what many thought was impossible in the era of complex electronics, a near-perfect rating. While luxury giants are struggling with software glitches and turbocharger failures, these 6 models are proving that true durability is a matter of precision engineering rather than flashy marketing. Interestingly, the vehicle taking the top spot is not the one you'd expect. It's a model that many shoppers overlook at the dealership, despite it holding the highest reliability score ever recorded in its segment. In this video, we are looking at vehicles that don't just survive the 300,000 mark, they thrive past it. Let's get into the 6 SUVs that are officially smart money for 2026. Number 6. Subaru Crosstrek. The 2026 Subaru Crosstrek remains the benchmark for the subcompact segment by sticking to a philosophy of rugged simplicity. Consumer Reports awarded this generation a 75 out of 100 predicted reliability score, largely due to its refined 2.5-liter Boxer 4-cylinder engine, which produces a balanced 182 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. While many competitors have shifted to complex dual-clutch systems, but Subaru's Lineartronic CVT has been mechanically optimized for 2026 to reduce friction and improve thermal management. This CVT is designed to withstand over 200,000 miles of operation. It also has an impressive 36 miles per gallon on the highway. The vehicle's symmetrical all-wheel drive system is a mechanical masterpiece of weight distribution, offering 8.7 inches of ground clearance in a chassis that feels significantly more planted than its tall profile suggests. Road tests highlight its 87 out of 100 score for ride comfort, noting that the long travel suspension absorbs 2026-era potholes with more grace than luxury SUVs twice its price. For the owner, this translates to a vehicle with fewer electronic gremlins and a drivetrain that prioritizes consistent lubrication over high-strung performance. The 2026 Subaru Crosstrek is a masterclass in simplicity. Number 5. Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. If fuel efficiency is your metric for reliability, then the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid stands out as one of the smartest choices in the entire compact SUV segment. According to Consumer Reports 2026, it earns an impressive 79 out of 100 reliability score, placing it firmly among the most dependable modern hybrids on the market. Under the hood, it uses Toyota's 5th-generation hybrid system, combining a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine with 3 electric motors to produce a total of 196 horsepower, delivering a rare balance of efficiency and real-world performance. What makes it truly special is its engineering simplicity. Instead of a traditional transmission filled with wear-prone components, it uses a planetary gear-based eCVT system that drastically reduces mechanical complexity and eliminates many of the common failure points found in conventional drivetrains. This is one of the key reasons owners report long-term durability and minimal repair issues. Despite its efficiency focus, it still manages a surprisingly quick 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 7.8 seconds, which is nearly 2 seconds faster than the non-hybrid version, while still returning an outstanding 42 miles per gallon combined. Consumer Reports also highlights improved interior durability, noting that the 2026 model features more solid switchgear and better long-term cabin quality compared to earlier generations. With standard electronic on-demand AWD and a pricing structure starting under $30,000, it represents the lowest cost of ownership in its class when fuel, maintenance, and depreciation are all considered. In simple terms, this is a no-nonsense, get-in-and-go SUV, built for drivers who want maximum efficiency, minimal headaches, and a vehicle that simply starts every single morning without drama. Number 4. Mazda CX-5. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 returns with a complete redesign, and it might just be the perfect example of how to modernize an SUV without ruining what made people love it in the first place. According to Consumer Reports, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 earns an impressive 84 out of 100 reliability score. That makes it one of the highest-rated compact SUVs for long-term dependability. Mazda stretched the wheelbase by 4.5 inches and widened the track, giving the SUV a more planted stance, sharper stability at highway speeds, and noticeably more interior room. Cargo space behind the second row now grows to 33.7 cubic feet, making it far more practical for families, road trips, and everyday hauling. But the real magic happens under the hood, where Mazda wisely sticks with its proven 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine that produces 187 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. Unlike many rivals chasing complicated turbocharged setups and unreliable CVTs, the CX-5 keeps a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission. That mechanical simplicity is a huge reason why Mazda's reliability reputation continues to climb year after year. Standard iActive AWD of CX-5 has also become smarter, now using proactive wheel load sensors to predict traction loss before the tires even slip, while Mazda's upgraded G-Vectoring Control Plus system sharpens cornering by subtly applying braking force like an electronic limited-slip differential. Even with all these upgrades, fuel economy remains respectable at 26 miles per gallon combined, proving you don't need a tiny engine or fragile CVT to achieve efficiency. Inside, the CX-5 finally feels truly premium, highlighted by a massive 15.6-inch Google-based infotainment system and a cabin that rivals luxury brands costing thousands more. But what really separates this SUV from the competition is the driving experience. The steering, suspension tuning, and chassis balance still deliver that rare feeling of direct mechanical connection that most modern crossovers have completely lost. Number 3. Honda CR-V Hybrid. Taking the third spot is the Honda CR-V Hybrid, which secured an incredible score of 95, which makes it a gold standard for the family SUV category. This model utilizes an evolutionary fourth-generation two-motor hybrid system that pairs a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle four-cylinder with two electric motors for a total of 204 horsepower and 247 pound-feet of torque. By eliminating the traditional torque converter and drive pulleys, Honda has significantly reduced the mechanical complexity of the transmission. The 2026 data indicates that the CR-V Hybrid has a major mechanical failure rate of nearly 0% within the first 48 months of ownership, which is a statistic that even many luxury brands can't match. Consumer Reports notes that the 2026 model has improved significantly in noise, vibration, and harshness levels compared to previous years. This makes it one of the most refined rides in its class. Inside, the CR-V offers a class-leading 76.5 cubic feet of maximum cargo space, and owners report high satisfaction with the user-friendly physical controls for climate and audio. With an EPA-rated 40 miles per gallon in the city, it remains a top-tier choice for those who need utility without the constant fuel expense. Its consistent performance in crash testing and high resale value make it a smart money purchase for families and commuters alike. Number 2. Toyota 4Runner. For drivers who want an SUV that feels like it could survive the end of the world, the all-new 2026 Toyota 4Runner stands alone as the undisputed king of rugged reliability. Earning a staggering 95 out of 100 reliability score, this machine is not just built to last, it is engineered to outlive almost everything else on the road. Though it recently transitioned to a more modern 2.4-liter I-Force turbocharged four-cylinder, But still, it remains a body-on-frame powerhouse built on the ultra-durable TNGA-F global truck platform shared with the Land Cruiser. The standard engine delivers a strong 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, but the optional iForce Max Hybrid turns the 4Runner into an absolute beast with 326 horsepower and a massive 465 pound-feet of torque. That is enough grunt to tackle mountains, deep mud, or heavy trailers without breaking a sweat. Unlike unibody crossovers, the 4Runner uses a heavy-duty 8-speed automatic transmission and a mechanical transfer case that allows a 6,000-pound towing capacity that its rivals simply can't match. Consumer Reports also praises its exceptional resale value and near-perfect 5 out of 5 predicted quality score, highlighting Toyota's famously over-engineered cooling and filtration systems that are specifically built to handle extreme heat, dust, towing stress, and harsh terrain for hundreds of thousands of miles. Sure, fuel economy sits at around 22 miles per gallon combined, but nobody buys a 4Runner to save fuel. They buy it because this SUV has a reputation for surviving decades of abuse. Add in legendary details like the iconic power-sliding rear window, mechanical simplicity, and Toyota's unmatched reliability history, and you get something far more than just an SUV. The 2026 Toyota 4Runner is a rolling fortress, the kind of vehicle you buy once and trust for life. Number 1. Honda Passport. The absolute king of reliability for 2026 is the Honda Passport, clocking in with a near-perfect 97 out of 100 reliability score. In a world where automakers are downsizing engines and stuffing vehicles with fragile turbocharged systems, Honda went in the opposite direction by keeping the legendary 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6. This V6 engine delivers a refined 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. This latest version of Honda's iconic J-Series V6 continues a legacy of engines known for running effortlessly beyond 300,000 miles with minimal issues. Paired with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission that has been recalibrated for smoother, low-speed operation, the Passport delivers surprisingly quick performance, sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.1 seconds, while still maintaining a serious 5,000-pound towing capacity. But the real engineering magic lies in Honda's second-generation IVTM-4 torque vectoring AWD system, which can send up to 70% of the engine's torque to the rear wheels and direct 100% of that power to either side. This gives the Passport incredible traction and stability in snow, mud, rain, and rough terrain. Consumer Reports also found that Passport owners spend nearly 60% less on unexpected maintenance and repairs over 5 years compared to owners of German or domestic mid-size SUVs. With a road test score of 82 out of 100 and a spacious cabin that offers nearly 100 cubic feet of max cargo space, it is the ultimate blend of mechanical legacy and modern utility. There you have it, the mechanical elite of 2026. The smart money this year is not chasing the newest badge or the biggest touchscreen. It's chasing the engineering teams that refuse to cut corners. Which of these reliability kings would you trust with your next 300,000 miles? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay ahead of the curve on the vehicles that will actually last.